Hi, I'm Emily from SAReads. Today we're going to talk about phoneme grapheme mapping. Phoneme grapheme mapping is a tool to help students develop an understanding of the connection between phonemes and graphemes. In other words, what's the connection between sounds and the letters that represent those sounds?
Let's try some phoneme grapheme mapping with short vowel words. Let's start with the word rap. We'll tap it out, ap. It has 3 phonemes, so we're going to work on the triangle line. Now let's map it out, a. Now we're ready to graph it. Let's start with the initial phoneme, the medial phoneme, a, and the final phoneme, p. A, p. Rap. Let's try another one. Let's try the word lock. Let's tap it out, a, k. This one also has 3 phonemes. Let's map it out, a, k. Now we're ready to graph it. The initial phoneme, the medial phoneme, a, and the final phoneme, since it's at the end of the word or a syllable, I know that this hard k sound is made by the CK digraph. A, k. Lock. I'll zap it with my magnet. All done. Let's try some phoneme grapheme mapping with some long vowels and vowel teams. We'll start with the word time. We'll tap it out, t, I, has 3 phonemes, so we're going to work on the triangle line at the top again. Now we'll map it out, t, I, and now we'll graph it. We'll start with the initial phoneme, t. We'll move to the medial phoneme, I. This one looks a little bit different because this grapheme has 2 different pieces to it. So we'll just scooch that one over. This is a vowel, consonant, E word. So we have t, I, and then we have our final phoneme, t, I, time. Let's try the word book. We'll start by tapping it out, b, k. It has 3 phonemes, b, k. Now we're ready to graph it. We'll start with the initial phoneme, b, the medial phoneme, and the final phoneme, k. I know when I have that hard k sound at the end of a word and it follows a vowel team or a vowel pair, it's going to be represented by this grapheme, the letter K. B, k, book. Now let's practice phoneme grapheme mapping with an R-controlled vowel. Remember, you're only practicing phoneme grapheme mapping with patterns that you've already explicitly taught. Let's practice with the word scarf. First, we'll tap it, R. It has 4 phonemes, so we're going to work down here on the square line. Now we're ready to map it, R. Now we're ready to graph it. S, k, R, s, k, R, scarf.
Thank you for watching our phoneme grapheme mapping video. I hope you get the chance to try it soon. For more information about the science of teaching reading, visit literacysanantonio.com.